Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to recover your online banking account of Citigroup. If you're not able to log in into your account because of your incorrect password or your incorrect user ID, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to recover your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end. So firstly, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, right on top there is a search box. Type in the link, that is www.citigroup.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site. On this following page, in the top right corner, tap on sign on to account. As you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, select your account type. As soon as you select your account type, next you will land inside login page. So in the right hand side corner, you can see there is a login interface, and over here you can see that without entering your user ID and your password, you'll not be able to log in into your account. If you're not able to log in because of your incorrect password or your user ID, in the bottom right corner you can see there are two different options: forgot user ID or password. So then tap on password. Next, you will be directed into support center. So over here you can see in the right hand side corner, first of all you'll have to select your account type, and after you're done selecting your account type, next you'll have to provide the information as asked. Out here you can see that I have to enter this following information, that is my ATM card or my credit card's number. Once you're done entering your information, scroll down and then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. Once again, on the other page, you will land inside Help Center. So out here you can see that if the provided information is incorrect, you can edit it over here. Next, you'll have to select on any one of these following options. So select it accordingly. So once you're done selecting it, scroll down. And next you'll have to provide the information that is asked. Over here you can see that they've asked for my credit card or my CVV or CID number. So once you're done entering your information, next you'll have to verify your identity. So over here you'll have to select the method in which you want to prove your identity. So you can see there are three different options, that is date of birth, last four of SSN or ITIN number, security word. So you can select on any one of these following options. So once you select, next you'll have to provide the information. So as I've selected my date of birth, so I must enter my date of birth that is associated with my Citigroup bank account. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to review it. Once again, only then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. As soon as you tap on continue, on the other page you get to reset or recreate your new login information. And after you're done recreating your login information, you'll have to go back to your login page and then enter the newly created login information in order to log in into your account. In case you're not able to log in into your account because of your incorrect user ID, the procedure is same, only difference that instead of password, you'll have to tap on the user ID in the login page. So that is how you can recover your online banking account of Citigroup. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.